because whatever we're consuming in terms of food, drinks, medication, supplements, it all has bearing on the health of our skin, because our skin is our largest organ, and what you see outside is a reflection of how healthy our body is inside. How can I soothe irritated skin? This is the topic of today's video. Do watch on and learn, and give us a thumbs up, like on this video, and share this channel with your friends as well. This channel is to do with all things wellness related, and in particular to do with skincare and skin health. My name is Patrina. I'm the co-founder of Planet Wellness, and you can see I'm enjoying natural glowing skin without the use of any makeup or concealers. And I would love to share my tips on how you can get there too if you're not currently enjoying glowing skin, and if you're having irritated skin that needs to be soothed. Now, there is a skincare product that's available. The link is in the comments below and also on this video. It's called Soothing Moisturiser. Now, if you've ever been out in the sun and you've got sunburn, or your skin is dry, this moisturizer, it's very liquid and it's very calming. That will actually help to soothe your skin. However, if you're finding that your skin is still dry, then there is another product which is called Barrier Balm, that is a little more thick in consistency, and that may suit you better. I would recommend you try either of those. And we also have another product called Rescue Serum. Again, as the name implies, it's a rescue serum to rescue your skin from any irritation, any sort of irritated, dry type skin, whatever the cause may be. However, in addition to relying and using these three products that I've recommended, the Soothing Moisturizer, the Barrier Balm, and the Rescue Serum, we also have a cleanser called the Calming Cleanser that you can also use to wash your face and wash any areas of your body. You can actually use it for the entire body. In particular, any areas that are irritated and need cleansing in a soothing manner, then this calming cleanser is for you as well. The links to order or check out any of the products, the ingredients, they're all natural, they are vegan friendly as well. Do check it out. The link to check out the ingredients and to order is in the comments and also on this video. Now, in addition, if you've been following our channel for long enough, then you will know that the secret to healthy glowing skin, to non-irritated skin, to acne-free, psoriasis-free, eczema-free, rashes-free skin is really from the inside. How is the health of our internal body? Because whatever we're consuming in terms of food, drinks, medication, supplements, it all has bearing on the health of our skin, because our skin is our largest organ, and what you see outside is a reflection of how healthy our body is inside. So apart from just relying on the skincare that I've recommended, I would also highly recommend that you be mindful of what you are consuming. Now, if you do need guidance or would like guidance, in fact, I would encourage you to get guidance from someone like us, because many of us, we think we are eating healthy. I was one of them as well. However, when you go to a specialist such as us, then you will see that there is a higher level of what we know as healthy. So do book in for a complimentary discovery call with us where we can discuss how we can help you further. Now, apart from that, other soothing types of liquids that you can use would be a good quality olive oil or a good quality coconut oil as well. That will also help calm your skin and soothe any irritation that you are suffering from. So I hope you found this video useful. Do also download our free guides, in particular the Psoriasis Expert Secrets Guide. There is a course as well which we have. We have a free booklet and a very affordable course which you can check out, because although the booklet and the course is linked to psoriasis, if you have any other skin concerns, the tips that we are sharing on these course and in this booklet as well is also applicable to healthy skin. So I hope you found this video useful. Do give me a thumbs up, like, and share it with your friends as well.